Alright guys, we got the Rockwood Mini Lite 2506S here. This unit is 25 feet 11 inches, as it does fall into the 25 series mini lights. The dry weight on this is 5,528 pounds, cargo capacity of 1,446 pounds, and a hitch weight of 814 pounds. The tanks on this unit, we have got a 54-gallon freshwater tank, 30-gallon black water, and a 60-gallon gray water. This has a rear queen bed with the front kitchen. All right guys, so here we are at the Rockwood Mini Lite 2506S. This is the front kitchen model. As you can see, it does have the recessed automotive glass here for the front window, accent lighting, propane tanks, batteries, enough space for 2 of them. Moving around here to the side, it does have the power stabilizer jacks on it right here. The door hookup, that way it's not blowing in the wind and blowing shut. It also helps protect kind of this part of the unit. It does come with the Mor-Ryde steps, way more stable steps, so they're not the bouncier steps. These are way more stable. A lot of people prefer those. Nice big awning that goes all the way across the top here with the outside entertainment center. Provides you a little bit of coverage. All Rockwood Mini Lights come with the hang-on griddles, so that's why they provide this little track here for you to hang it on. Moving around to the outside kitchen, you do have the 2-burner gas range there with the small mini fridge. All right guys, so moving around here to the back side of the 2506S, we got the ladder there on the left-hand side. And one of the cooler things about this 2506 is it does have a pretty interesting storage compartment in the back. So this right here actually is about 5 feet long. Store all sorts of stuff back here. That just pushes right in, and it'll shut, and you won't even know it's there. It does come with a spare tire, the hitch there as well if you want to put a bike rack or something back here. Small generator, you can do so. Moving inside here on the 2506S, you do have your main TV here in the living area, a smaller 5,000 BTU fireplace, keeps you warm in the cooler days. 12 volt 11 cubic foot fridge. This is one of the most popular fridges you're seeing out there right now. So that's going to run off the solar panel up top. Rockwood does have the option for a second one, but that'll run right off of those. So it makes it nice. All right, so this is everybody's favorite part of the unit. We got the front kitchen, plenty of storage, and most importantly, a lot of counter space, which is something that's kind of hard to come by in these smaller trailers. Plenty of space here. You do have the push button tower there to charge your phones, coffee pot, whatever it might be. 3-burner gas range top here with the larger oven. Do some baking. And up here we got the microwave and plenty of storage up top. All right, so here in the slide out, I'm going to start over here on the pantry. So real deep pantry that goes all the way back to that back wall there. Allows you to put all sorts of food and dishes. This is the sofa here. It comes standard with this table. That way you guys have a place to eat. Individually controlled light here as well. And plenty of windows. All right, so moving in here to the bathroom, we've got the toilet there in the corner with the cabinet there for the towels. Going over to the right there, we got the skylight above the shower miser, which if you're not familiar with that, that just recirculates the hot water back into the tank. So it helps save water and keeps the water warmer there for a longer period of time. Nice sized corner shower. The sink there with the storage underneath and the medicine cabinet above. All right, so moving back into the master bedroom, we do have a queen size bed with storage and nightstands on either side. Plug your phone in, your CPAP. You do have the storage up top there with the overhead cabinets. You got some storage here as well on the corner, and the TV hookups. So you got your backer that you're gonna be able to put there and then have a good angle at the TV. It does have the fan back here on this unit. That is not standard, that is an option that the person chose. All right guys, my name is Mycah here at RV Wholesalers. This is a Rockwood Mini Lite 2506S. If this is something you have questions about, you'd like to order, check out, see if we got something here in stock, be sure to give me a call. My number here is 937-649-5632.